case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1991 case before the Arkansas Supreme Court, Gifford v. Estate of Gifford, matters centered around the dispute of late Mary Ella Gifford's will, specifically whether or not a handwritten memo from January 1980 should be incorporated into it. The probate court had to determine if Mary intended for the memo to be a part of her will, and if it met the legal requirements set forth by Arkansas law. Mary's will outlined that her estate, passed down by her husband, was to be divided equally among her children. The will also called for her executrix to adhere to the provisions of a handwritten bequest attached in June 1986. The probate judge ruled in favor of incorporating the memo into the will. Mary's son, Joel, argued against the inclusion of the 1980 memo, while her daughter, Julia, argued in favor of it. The Arkansas Supreme Court upheld the probate court's decision, stating that the memo met the legal requirements to be incorporated by reference, and rejecting the argument that the revocation clause had nullified the memo because it could not be considered a formal testamentary instrument. The court affirmed that the estate would be distributed according to all four instruments, including the January 1980 memo.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.